for a 2011 Mercedes-Benz S550 4MATIC W221. We're going to be changing the ABS ESP wheel speed sensor, which is this one right here. It goes all the way up there. Okay, it's connected to the other cable that is attached to the strut. Okay, the air strut. So that's the other one that goes right here. I'm gonna fix it because one of my guys put it the other way, and it's supposed to go like the same way as this one. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so this is an easy job. Here's a screw. Okay, it's an E10. And then you just follow it. Take that little clip that it's metal clip that it's right there holding both of the cables. Take it off, pull it up with a metal clip or something, and then disconnect the cables. Disattach both of the cables. But this one's pretty cheap on eBay. Okay, you can see some a little bit brand new. Okay, compared to the original ones. I mean, as long as they work, you know, these are aftermarket parts. Some parts come from Germany, some are made in the USA. The same way you took it off. Okay, the same way you put it in, you slide it in. Okay, and then you put the screw back on. E10. Okay, as you can see, you got the cable connected. Okay, it's right there. Okay, I dressed it up. Okay, both of the cables, as you can see. Make sure you connect them, make sure you put the clip back on. All right, fam, for this one, after you do the job, okay, for the ABS ESP sensor, wheel speed sensor, you're gonna have to disconnect the battery. Either you do it from the computer or you just disconnect the battery so it can reset the computer, and it could recognize the new cables. All right, have a good one. God bless y'all.